Hi, welcome to megan+5.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make this hand-painted floral beYOUtiful sign. Let's get started. Now you're going to need a pre-stained board for this and a stencil. I used my Cricut machine to cut out my stencil. And then you just want to apply your stencil on your dried piece of stained wood. Now once you have your stencil applied, you're going to need to paint it. I used a lilac color paint and I just did two really thin coats over the entire board. So when you do this, you want to paint the whole front side of your board and then all four sides around it. And I did not bother with painting the back side of my board since I'm not going to see this. Once your first coat is totally dry, you can add your second coat right on top of that. You want to be sure that it is completely dry. And then once you have your second coat on, you can peel your stencil up and then it will show the stained wood underneath of there. And then once your paint is totally dry, you want to take your Ryobi sander and just give it a good sanding all around the edges and then like a light sanding on the front. And then you need to wipe down your board with just a dry lint-free cloth just to get all of that dust off of there. And then you can glue on whatever accent you like. I glued some hand-cut flowers on mine, but you can also get some pre-made flowers from your local craft store. And visit my website, megan+5.com, for more crafty tutorials.